Meet Thompson Properties. With multiple buildings to manage, their team is swamped with tracking assets, handling inspections and scheduling maintenance. With spreadsheets and scattered reminders, tasks are often missed, leading to increased costs, delays and frustrated tenants. This outdated system is costing them time, money and their reputation. Enter Cognicio, an AI-powered solution designed to streamline business operations. With Cognicio, Thompson Properties can manage everything in one place. Using Cognicio, the team now tracks every asset in real time. Maintenance schedules are automated, inspection forms are digital, and reminders are all in one dashboard. No more missed maintenance. Cognicio sends reminders and keeps everything organized, allowing the team to focus on what matters most. The results? Happier tenants, reduced costs, and a more efficient team. Ready to transform your business operations? Visit Cognicio and see how AI can simplify your workflow.